Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to hire a Squarespace expert, step by step. If you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed by building your website, need a shop setup, or just want your site to really shine, this tutorial will help you find the right pro for the job. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, how to search, and what to expect when hiring a vetted Squarespace expert for your next project. So let's dive right in. First off, head over to Squarespace. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a little question mark icon tucked beside the settings gear. This is your gateway to support and resources, so go ahead and click that. It's kind of like asking an experienced friend for advice, and it'll lead you straight to all the help Squarespace offers. Now, in that help window, there's a search bar, type in hire, and hit enter. This is a shortcut to finding the dedicated page for hiring outside help. You'll see an option labeled Hiring a Squarespace Expert. Go ahead and select that. This might sound simple, but this specific path is designed to filter out generic help articles and point you to vetted professionals you can actually work with. On this page, you'll see that Squarespace experts offer 8 main types of services. Let me run through these so you know which matches your needs. You can get a full site build. Perfect if you're starting from scratch or rebranding. Online store setup for when you want to sell products and need help making it smooth and secure. There's search engine optimization, or SEO, which is crucial for getting your site found online. If your site's design isn't quite popping, opt for a design review. Scheduling services are great for businesses that book appointments like salons or studios. For tech-savvy tweaks, site functionality covers custom features. There are also small site tasks, ideal for quick fixes or updates, site migration for moving from another platform, and finally, training and support, which is pretty handy if you want to learn how to manage things yourself. So take a moment to think, what exactly do you need? Don't worry if you aren't sure. You can always ask the expert for advice later. With that background, let's talk about actually hiring one. So next, you'll want to visit the Squarespace Marketplace, which is essentially their expert directory. Here's where it gets fun. You can browse all sorts of professionals and filter by both industry and the type of project you need help with. It's a bit like looking through a dating app, but for website help. Take your time scrolling through the profiles. Each expert's page shows their past projects and reviews from previous clients. It's worth reading a few reviews. These often share real experiences and sometimes mention how responsive or creative an expert was. If you're in a niche industry, use the filter options. For example, if you run a restaurant, filter by food service or hospitality to find someone who really gets your business. When you spot an expert that seems like a good fit, click Choose this expert. Don't worry, this isn't signing a contract yet. It'll bring up a project brief form. Now, this part is important. Fill out the project brief describing what you need and your goals for the site. Be as detailed as you can. It helps them understand your vision. Think about your ideal outcome and any specific requests. Even if you're unsure, just share what you have in mind. It's normal not to have every detail figured out. After you submit your project brief, you'll be taken to 99 Designs by Vista, which handles the formal invitation part. If you haven't created an account there yet, you'll need to sign up. It only takes a minute. The expert will review your brief and respond through 99 Designs by Vista. They'll either ask for more info, provide a quote, or let you know if the project isn't the right fit. Just be patient here, as sometimes it takes a little while for them to get back to you. They usually want to make sure they understand exactly what you're looking for before moving forward. And that's pretty much the whole process. From feeling stuck to handing off your Squarespace tasks to a real expert, you'll save time and probably end up with a much better site. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button below. Drop a comment if you have any questions about hiring an expert, or if you want more tips on working with designers and developers. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials and web advice. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Squarespace journey.